Well, is this the end of Uber? If you have not been living under a rock, you've heard the recent news. Uber and Lyft stock, well, Lyft stock mainly is crashing today, crashing this week. Lyft stock is actually down 73% this year, and they just announced that they are no longer hiring anybody. They're canceling job interviews this week. They're no longer hiring anybody throughout the end of the year, and they are laying off people and still firing people. So, this being said, if you're a Lyft driver, should you start looking for another job? My answer is heck yes, you should. So please thumbs up the video. Firstly, before we get started, I want to thank our sponsor, Solo. Solo is a business app for gig workers. And when you sign up with our link, they're going to give you $10 just for signing up. They help you manage your income, manage your taxes, help you predict how much you might owe in taxes, and they give you guaranteed pay. When you go out and drive, you sign up for these little shifts, and you can get paid like $37 in an hour. So without further ado, let's get started with this video update. Lyft freezes hiring in US amid economic instability. Lyft has been canceling job interviews this week and is reportedly on a hiring freeze in the United States, according to anonymous professional network Blind and report from Bloomberg. The freeze affects all departments in the United States, including drivers, and should last into next year as the ride-hail giant continues to face economic unpredictability. Quote, like many other companies navigating an uncertain economy, we are pausing hiring for all US-based roles through the end of the year, a Lyft spokesperson told TechCrunch. The move comes after Lyft announced its decision to slow hiring in May. Guys, this is like a 6-month slow, and now they're just not hiring anybody at all in order to bring down costs and drive profitability as its stock continues to take a hit. Lyft's share price, listen to this, has sunk more than 73% since the start of the year at the time of this writing. So if you invested $100 into Lyft 1 year ago, your $100 would now only be worth $27. Imagine if you're like, you know what, I believe in Lyft, I'm gonna put in $10,000. You're only left with $2,700. In July, Lyft shut down its in-house car rental business. So Lyft is, most companies like Uber, they're launching new businesses, they're doing this, they're doing that. Lyft, on the other hand, they're closing down businesses and they're stopping hiring people. So Uber's looking good right now and Lyft is not. But Uber, since a lot of analysts compare them together, Uber's also falling. So yeah, guys, this is not good. And I will continue to keep you guys updated because in my opinion, things are looking really down for Lyft. And maybe, if they haven't even hit profitability yet, maybe they never freaking will. And maybe investors now, they're like, I'm losing so much money. Maybe I'm gonna pull out my money and Lyft's gonna have no more money to waste because, they're losing money and they require investor money in order to keep the wheels turning. So maybe investors are gonna be like, sorry, no more money, shut down your app, bye-bye Lyft. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if that happens. So, or maybe Uber is gonna buy them out. That would be crazy. I honestly would not be surprised if Uber was like, Lyft, you guys stink. Or somebody at Lyft CEO goes to Uber and they're like, yo, we're suffering so bad. Can you please buy us out, acquire us so we can at least stay alive? So anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the video there. But Lyft, if you're watching this, I will offer to buy you guys for $20. That's my best and final offer. Take it or leave it. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, check out Solo with the link below. Get your $10. Signing up for free anywhere in the country. It's the best business app for gig workers. They help you make more money, help you manage your expenses, manage your taxes, and they even give you guaranteed pay. And $10 just for signing up. Use our link below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye now.